by seeing this college, St. Jude's Public School, and it is actually Somnath, my roommate, his school. So there's a bus stop nearby, and this is how it looks. This is just to refresh his memories. I hope this is the school. But Somnath, this is how your school is looking like from outside. Sadly I can't enter though. But yeah, I've been hearing here since our intermediate class 11th and 12th, and seeing it like a different feeling, and must be for him too. Let me see if I'll find out some way to just to get a sneak peek. So this is the view behind his school. After Doda Beta, we have come to KODANAD viewpoint, 2 hours from Moti. So you can see the sky. We are at the level of sky. Clouds are forming, shadow. I'm taking this side. We are back to METTUPALAYam and on the way to Coimbatore to ISHA Foundation. भूख लगा है, लंच खाने वाला है. We stopped by a place called Congo restaurant and we are going to eat there. So we have come to a place where we had come together, but with new people.
Flying of drones is prohibited.
So we have come to ISHA Foundation to see the Adiyogi statue, Dhanilingam, Lord Bhairavi temple. What do you call that pool where people will walk now? Okay, we'll see. Not Hyderabad. So we are discussing about tonight dinner. We are going to watch the Adiyogi light show, and we are planning that after light show, that is around 7:40, we will be leaving from here.
Last month we had the same shirt.
You have bought the same shirt. Thank you for watching this video. Like, effects of trip. 10 days trip. Huh? We left from Kachiguda in the morning and we are back to Kachiguda in the night.